In this activity, you will be introduced to the key events of World War II. As you watch the film, you are to make comments on each of the different areas referred to in the documentary. To help you with some of the language and terminology used, a glossary has been provided. You are also to be aware that you will have already studied several aspects of the causes of World War II in your previous studies, and in today's task you will be expected to see how these factors all contributed to the Second World War and how possibly they all interlink with each other. So, for example, should you see a connection between the rise of Adolf Hitler and the Treaty of Versailles at the end of World War I, you ought to draw a line between the two features. This fulfills one of the extension tasks identified in the top right-hand corner. At the start of the lesson, I would also like you to identify how much you know about each of these topics already. Where is your prior knowledge, your prior understanding? How far along the line from confident to ignorant are you about these particular events? Make a mark, then obviously during the course of the lesson, as you expand your knowledge, you can actually review at the end and mark on again how much progress you have made in your understanding. As you work through this task, also be aware of the other extension factors. Please consider which is the most important of all of these factors contributing to the outbreak of World War II. As countries are mentioned in the documentary, please identify those parts of the world here on your map by colour coding as you go and work your way through. Please make sure to read the task sheet carefully, because once the documentary starts, you obviously will be tied and drawn between the worksheet and the documentary.